So this is practice problem 1.6 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. Question is, a home electric heater draws 12 amps when connected to a 115 volts outlet. How much energy is consumed by the heater over a period of 24 hours? So first we need to collect the data, what are all given here. Voltage is 150 volts and I, that the current is 12 amps. And the question asked is how much energy. Energy means it is work done, work done. So how much work done is there? Okay. So we cannot calculate this work done directly from the given data, that is V and I, but indirectly we can calculate this work done. That is, if you know the power, power can be calculated using this V and I. So if you once know the power, then you can go for finding this work done. Okay, so power P is equal to V into I, that is represented in watts, that is the unit is watts. So once you calculate that power, then you can go for calculate this work done or the energy. Energy is equal to power into time. Here how much time is given, the time period is 24 hours. Okay, so you can calculate it as P into time period in joules. But if it is available in hour, because it is 24 hours, okay, then it is coming as energy is coming as watt hours only. So if you want to convert this watt hour into joules, then you have to multiply it by 3600. 1 watt hour is equal to 3600 joules. That means we are converting that into seconds. That's it. Okay. So now we go for this calculation. So power is equal to VI. So that is equal to 115 multiplied by 12. So you get it as 1380 watts. Then work done, W, that is the energy. Energy is equal to P into T. So it is 1380 watts multiplied by this 24 hours, right? So that is equal to 33,120 watt hour. So that is equal to 33.12 kilowatt hour. This is the answer. But you can also convert it into joules. Okay. So how to convert it into joules? That means here you have already calculated the power as 1380 multiplied by that 24 hours. Then you have to convert it into seconds, right? 60 into 60. So power, that means watt into seconds, that gives you the joules, right? So that is equal to 119 comma 232 comma 3, and that is equal to 119 comma 232 comma 000 joules. So you can write it as 119.232 megajoules. Okay, so either you can take it as this answer or you can take it as W is equal to 33.12 kilowatt hour. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.